What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Tony Blackmon here in Buckhead, Georgia, here at the JW Marriott, not far from Atlanta, Georgia. Just wrapped up a very productive real estate meeting with some local developers. If you are an investor, maybe you're investing in stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and you're getting your 5 to 8% return if you're lucky, consider investing in real estate. We can get you at Paramount Property Investments, if you invest right with us, 12% plus return on your investment. Okay, plus you get the cash flow, the monthly cash flow, tax breaks, appreciation in the real estate. So real estate is the way to go. It's the #1 wealth building vehicle in the world. If you want to learn more about real estate investing in general, whether you're looking to buy, sell, or invest, definitely consider giving us a call, 330-685-2220, or just visit our website, www.investparamount.com.